Mr. Owner, you have recently purchased an Aeolian Vocalion of which you are justly proud, and a few hints will assist you to obtain the best results. Important. Stop winding the motor immediately resistance is felt. Your Vocalion embodies exclusive features. First, the automatic stop, which relieves you of necessity of rushing to your instrument immediately a record is finished. To set this automatic stop, bring the tone arm as far as it will go towards the center spindle. Place the needle either in the last or last but one groove on the record and press the trigger on the left-hand side of the turntable. Then lift the tone arm and bring it to the extreme right. When the turntable is revolving at the correct speed, place the needle in the outside groove of the record. The brake will be automatically applied when the record is finished. Use a new needle with every record. Another exclusive feature of your Vocalion is the graduola. When operating this device, secure your crescendo and diminuendo effects gradually. To oil your Vocalion, remove winding handle. Take off the turntable, disconnect joint at the elbow of your automatic stop, unscrew the 4 screws at the corners of the motor board, and by means of the thumb holes in the board, lift out the motor intact. Oil all movable parts, not forgetting 1 drop of oil on the governor pad. Should your motor develop a fault or a spring break, follow out the instructions in the foregoing paragraph and send the motor to our nearest branch fixed to the board. May we ask you to follow out these instructions and by so doing obtain the best results. An Aeolian Vocalion which gives good service is an advertisement to us. And should you have a friend who is thinking of purchasing a phonograph, we feel sure you will ask him to hear yours, and that your Vocalion will be the means of selling another one.